So ladies and gentlemen, we got a good one today because over the past weekend, many people have started to receive their Yeezy Pod orders.
It's up.
So, of course, we're gonna cover all the details, and for some strange reason, I got this little gut feeling that today's comment section may just get a little bit out of hand. And for everybody that's already placed their orders and are waiting for shipping confirmations, I got a concerning sizing update and what you can actually do if you happen to order the wrong size. So, of course, before we get into that, it's Monday. The entire sneaker world has their eyes on a particular sneaker release. Of course, we're talking the Jordan 4 Bred Reimagines, the sneakers that you pretty much can't get away from. Them joints are pretty much all over my timeline. Everybody's waiting to see if they will shock drop this week or not. But at this point, I feel like Nike, they might as well just like cancel the shock drop and just go ahead and drop them joints early, because it's a sneaker that's already starting to feel burnt out and they haven't even dropped yet. So we'll see how that release goes down. And then as far as New Balance, real quick, I know everybody hates New Balance, but it looks like we got a cool new retro model coming back out the vault. So yesterday, Teddy Santis, he did this huge photo dump, like posting like hundreds of images all over his story. So once you filter through all the spam and all the pictures like that, you'll come across this really cool looking retro model that closely resembles some other sneakers that released around that same time period. So here we got the New Balance 1000. Once again, another great retro model out New Balance's vault. I believe this sneaker originally debuted like sometime around 98, 97, something like that. And you guys already know off the first glance, they're kind of giving like Air Max vibes. So the sole almost resembles the Air Max 95, while the upper, the patterns, the designs that you see here kind of closely resemble the Air Max 97. Now, I'm not saying New Balance was biting them, but remember, these came out around the same time, so could have had a similar design influence. Who really knows the backstory? But all I gotta say is, as far as New Balance runners goes, they probably have like one of the best vault back catalogs, and I'm just excited to see another classic come out the vault. So I feel like this is another cool sneaker that I'm gonna have my eye on. Can't wait to see what they do with it. And apparently it looks like they have teased that Joe Freshgoods is gonna be dropping a New Balance 1000 collab. So it looks like they got big plans for this model. We'll probably see a whole bunch of collabs, cool GRs, and I'm all for it. And for these Yeezy Pods, now over the past weekend, customers are starting to receive their orders. And this marks a very significant release for Yeezy because it's gonna be the very first independent release post Adidas. So it marks a whole new era for Yeezy. We've seen Ye rocking different sock-like prototypes, samples all year long. And then the Yeezy Pods officially went on sale like mid-December, and customers are now just starting to get their first orders over the weekend. People that are getting pairs, it's like a whole mixed bag. You got some people that like pre-ordered these within hours when they first originally went on sale. And you got some people that claim they literally just ordered these like last week and Yeezy Supply delivered them within just a couple of days. So it looks like shipping's all over the place. And as far as the Yeezy Pods, it feels like this is probably like the most hated sneaker release, or should I say footwear release of all time. It feels like people are more upset that Ye dropped Yeezy Pods than they were when he dropped the whole DEFCON tweet. I'm just playing, y'all. I guess that was a bad joke, but I can't wait for my joints to ship. Unfortunately, I don't have my pairs just yet, but we're gonna go through all the details. As I mentioned, a lot of people already got their pairs. Now, as far as packaging, we expected the things to be minimal, right? When it comes to the Adidas Yeezy collaborations, they hit us just with the little simple brown box. But as far as these Yeezy Pods goes, things got even more basic than that, as we don't even got a box this time. Them joints are being delivered in a little silk brown bag. This joint reminds me of like the little Gucci bag that you get or whatever. So can we say the shipping and packaging may be a little underwhelming? But then again, nobody really expected much as far as the packaging goes. Now, as far as the details on the unit, you do have a small little sole unit, and then you have it's a thin sole, right? And then you have two pod outer soles. They do have some light traction on the bottom. You do see the made in Italy, and apparently they feature no type of Yeezy branding anywhere. Now, as far as the sock, it's a technical knit upper, so you have different areas of tension to form to your feet, and kind of just give you that free form movement with your feet. So on feet, they are very comfortable. But as far as the sizing, that's where the controversy comes into play. So if you visit the Yeezy Supply website, their size guide recommends anybody under a US size 6. You're gonna wanna get a size 1. By the way, these joints only come in 3 sizes. So size 1 is going to be anything under a 6. Size 2 is going to be US 7 through 9.5, and then 3 US 10 through 13. And it looks like we have a Reddit user. Again, this is not my personal experience. This is all just based off Reddit users online. They're saying they're true to size 11. They got 2 different sizes, right? They got a 2 and a 3. So size 11, when he tried on the 2, looks like them joints fit perfect on feet, but unfortunately, the size 3 look trash, and he's swimming in them joints. So if you don't get your right size, they are not gonna look right on feet. It looks like bruh is raw dogging them. Personally, I intend to wear these with socks, but I don't think the socks are gonna do too much for you. And a lot of us may be out of luck and possibly ordered the wrong size. So again, Yeezy sizing all over the place, and I gotta say, it is slightly disappointing. Now, what can you do if you actually ordered the wrong size? So I emailed customer service. Unfortunately, you won't be able to change your size, but because your pair probably hasn't shipped out just yet, you can actually cancel your original order. Then you got to go back and order the correct size, which is also disappointing because it may also delay shipping, or who knows, them joints might even overnight to you or whatever. So it's on you guys. Again, this is not my personal experience. This is all just based off a Reddit user's experience, but apparently these joints do run super big. So for me, I'll probably have to go ahead and cancel my size 3, and I've already ordered a size 2. So we'll see what happens when them joints arrive. But for now, sizing looks to be all over the place. People are roasting these joints, so I can't wait to get my pair so everybody can bully me all over the internet. But at the end of the day, it really doesn't matter because I'm rocking with these joints. I feel like they're unconventional, but cool enough. And I think that's what Ye was going for, for the first independent Yeezy release. You got to make a big impact, right? And why not go completely left field from everything that all the major sneaker brands are going with? And I actually enjoy the functionality of a sock shoe. It's super comfortable on feet, and not only that, you could just slip these joints right on, keep it moving, go on about your day, and throw these joints, fold them up right in your pocket. So I've been rocking with the Yeezy Pods. Can't wait to check out my pair, and I guess stay tuned for more updates when my pair arrives. Maybe like next year, maybe like 2025, 2026. So who knows? Maybe we'll get GTA 6 before Yeezy Pods. But salute, and let me know if any of you guys actually got your pairs down below. And this comment section, I already know is gonna get out of control. So it's gonna be funny, but I don't take it all personal. So y'all go ahead and roast these joints in the comments, all that good stuff. Or if you're rocking with them, let me know down below. But unfortunately, it looks like sizing isn't looking too good on these joints. So we'll see how it goes, y'all. But for now, we're gonna wrap things up. Of course, it's the Monday show, so make sure you guys are subscribed and lock in for the rest of the week because we got a great week ahead for JA News. So we're gonna wrap it up, y'all. Make sure y'all stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all. Love.